Fennel is a flowering plant species in the carrot family. It is native to the Mediterranean region but is now cultivated worldwide for its culinary and medicinal uses. Nutritionally, fennel is low in calories but rich in fiber, and several vitamins and minerals. A 100-gram serving of raw fennel bulb provides approximately 31 calories, 3.1 grams of fiber, 7.3 grams of carbohydrates, and 1.2 grams of protein, in addition to vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. So, what happens when you eat this nutritious spice every day? In this episode, we'll learn about the 7 amazing benefits of eating fennel seeds and how you can have them in your daily diet. Let's begin. Number 1. It can improve your digestive health. Fennel seeds are known to improve digestive health due to their high content of fiber, antioxidants, and volatile oils. These seeds contain compounds like anethole, which has been shown to relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping to relieve gas, bloating, and abdominal cramping. Studies show that fennel seeds can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome. One study showed that participants who consumed fennel seed oil experienced significant improvements in abdominal pain, bloating, and flatulence compared to those in the placebo group. Additionally, fennel seeds may aid in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which can enhance the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. The fiber in fennel seeds promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Number 2. It helps in detoxification of your blood. Fennel seeds contain compounds like flavonoids, polyphenols, and antioxidants that help in cleansing the blood. Flavonoids, such as quercetin and kaempferol, have been shown to have detoxifying properties by neutralizing harmful free radicals and facilitating the removal of toxins from the body. Moreover, polyphenols in them, including rosmarinic acid and chlorogenic acid, further contribute to the detoxification process by enhancing liver function and promoting the breakdown and elimination of toxins. Studies show that fennel seeds may even stimulate the production of enzymes involved in detoxification pathways, such as GST and SOD. These enzymes play crucial roles in breaking down and removing various types of toxins, including environmental pollutants, heavy metals, and metabolic waste products. Additionally, fennel seeds contain an essential oil called anethole, which has hepatoprotective properties, meaning it helps protect the liver from damage and supports its detoxification functions. Studies have shown that supplementation with fennel seed extract leads to improvements in liver function tests, indicating enhanced detoxification capacity. Furthermore, fennel seeds have mild diuretic properties, meaning they promote urine production and elimination, which can help rid the body of toxins through the urinary system. By increasing urine output, fennel seeds facilitate the excretion of waste products and toxins from the bloodstream, facilitating blood detoxification. Number 3. It can help improve your skin health. Fennel seeds contain several compounds that can help clear the skin and improve its overall health. One of the key compounds found in fennel seeds is anethole, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Anethole can help reduce inflammation in the skin, which is often associated with conditions such as acne, eczema, and rosacea. Additionally, fennel seeds contain antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamin C, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and speed up the aging process. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants can help keep your skin looking young and radiant. Fennel seeds also have antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off bacteria and fungi that can lead to skin infections and acne breakouts. This can be particularly beneficial if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Furthermore, fennel seeds have been traditionally used in various skincare remedies and formulations due to their skin-soothing and cleansing properties. They can be used topically as a facial steam or in homemade face masks to help cleanse and detoxify the skin. Number 4. Regulates blood pressure. Fennel seeds contain potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all of which play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium in the body, which can lead to high blood pressure if not balanced properly. Magnesium helps to relax blood vessels and maintain regular heart rhythms, allowing for smoother blood flow and reducing the strain on the heart. Studies show that consuming fennel seeds can have a positive impact on blood pressure levels. They contain compounds like nitrates and nitrites, which can convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax your blood vessels, eventually helping to keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. In fact, a 2013 study explored the effects of fennel seed powder on blood pressure in pre-hypertensive adults. This small study found a reduction of around 6 units in systolic blood pressure in the group consuming fennel seed powder. In addition to these compounds, fennel seeds also contain fiber, which can help lower your cholesterol levels and further improve your overall heart health. Number 5. Promotes bone health. One of the key compounds found in fennel seeds is calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Just 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds provides around 115 milligrams of calcium, which is approximately 12% of the recommended daily intake for most adults. In addition to calcium, fennel seeds also contain magnesium, another crucial mineral for bone health. Magnesium plays a vital role in bone formation and density, and it works with calcium to maintain proper bone structure. In fact, magnesium deficiency has been closely linked with a significantly higher risk of osteoporosis. Fennel seeds also give you about 20 milligrams of magnesium per tablespoon, contributing to the overall bone-supporting properties of this spice. On top of that, fennel seeds are a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone metabolism and the regulation of calcium levels in the body. Vitamin K helps to activate certain proteins that grab the calcium from your bloodstream and use it to make your bones. A tablespoon of fennel seeds contains approximately 7.2 micrograms of vitamin K, which is about 9% of the recommended daily intake for most adults. Number 6. Improves sleep. Anethole in fennel seeds acts as a relaxant on the central nervous system, promoting feelings of calmness and reducing anxiety, both of which are important for better sleep. In fact, one study published in 2012 investigated the sedative effects of fennel essential oil, which is rich in anethole, and concluded that it had a significant calming effect on the central nervous system. Additionally, fennel seeds contain magnesium, which plays a crucial role in regulating neurotransmitters involved in sleep-wake cycles. Furthermore, fennel seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda for their calming properties. They are often consumed as tea or added to dishes to promote relaxation and aid in sleep. The gentle, natural sedative effects of fennel seeds make them a popular choice if you're looking for alternative remedies for sleep issues. Number 7. May reduce the risk of cancer. Fennel seeds contain compounds that have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. One such compound is anethole, which has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects in various studies. Anethole has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and cause apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in certain types of cancer cells. Another compound found in fennel seeds is limonene, which has been investigated for its anti-tumor properties. Limonene has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in test tube studies, particularly in breast cancer models. It has also been found to cause apoptosis in cancer cells and inhibit tumor progression. Additionally, fennel seeds are rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals gradually damage cells and DNA, potentially leading to abnormal mutations and cancer development. By fighting off free radicals, antioxidants in fennel seeds may help to reduce the risk of cancer. One traditional way to consume fennel seeds is to chew on just a teaspoon of them after meals. It helps in digestion and freshens your breath. You can also make fennel tea by steeping a teaspoon of seeds in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes and then strain the seeds. Enjoy them as a warm drink after meals or throughout the day. But remember that while fennel seeds are generally safe for most people to consume in moderate amounts, they may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Additionally, pregnant women should avoid consuming large amounts of fennel seeds due to their potential to stimulate uterine contractions. Plus, certain compounds in them may interact with any medications you might be taking. So be sure to consult with your doctor before making them a regular part of your diet to get personalized recommendations according to your individual needs and health condition. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.